Hello you wonderful people, welcome back to the channel. I hope you are all well. Yeah?
Come and have a look at this, what we've done to the van. Come and have a look at what we've done to the van. Whoa, you're gonna have to watch the video if you want to see what we've done to the van, you cheeky lot.
Ryan's finally doing something useful, hoovering up all the mess that he probably created. And just in time, the cavalry arrive, with their expert level moral support here to help me install our new storage nets.
That's it, just like I showed you.
Are you clearly not done it?
I was no longer needed, as Zara had the cleaning under control, so I kept Kobe entertained. Then I jumped on to install the solar fan. Not quite aircon, but it should keep the van from turning into an oven. As you can see, we fitted a slimline solar vent to the top of the van. I've chosen this because we're going for the stealth, sort of like minimalistic, don't want to be seen kind of style, which means that if we went for the normal Maxi fan, people would see straight away it's a camper van. So this is sleek, it's small, it's cheap, and it does the job just as well.
So, as you can see, we've got a lovely new little addition to the van. It's a little lanyard that from the inside you can now open up the door. So when you pull up, release the latch, and you can push the door open. So battery has arrived. Matt's going to be messing around with it, probably doesn't know what he's doing, so I can imagine it will end up going back.
What's that then?
Battery.
Oh yeah, what's that do then?
Just powers everything, doesn't it?
You can teach me how to wire it in if you want.
I could do. I'll probably let you figure out on your own.
Ryan reckons he knows how to install the battery, so he kindly stood back and let me figure it out, even though we all know he's got less of a clue than Kobe. Battery in and lights wired. Shockingly, nothing caught fire. Then I took a well-earned break on the workbench, which immediately collapsed. Perfect.
That kitchen sink's not turning up till Tuesday, then we should probably just get that unit installed. That really hurts.
What have you done? Well, that wasn't very smart, was it?
I'm actually so glad we got that on film. Yeah, we need a new bench now.
Brilliant.
And that's a bit of super glue.
Oh yeah, WD-40 will be fine.
Bit of CT1. Jobs of pink. Fuck's sake. So a little bit of information about that bench. One of the legs was already broken and it's been holding up until now. So that leads me nicely onto Top Tip Tuesday. Don't sit on your already broken workbench. Thanks for watching. Right, fingers crossed.
Let's go for it.
Yeah.
Hey, there we go.
I did a thing.
Well done.
That's sick.
Mate, banging.
How good does that look?
So good.
So just quickly, the reason that I've gone for the warm white over the blue cooler white is because the warm white is just better for your eyes, it's better for your mind. If you look at your phone screen when it's blue, you can never sleep, can you? So my preference is warm white.
Well, that's good, isn't it?
What's that, mate?
Is that site safe?
I'm going beach, aren't I?
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
Oh, nice.
In Germany.
Could sleep at the beach with a camper.
Is it going to start?
Hey.
So the DC to DC charger is now flashing, which means it's charging. And we're reading 14.7 volts, which is good. I'm happy with that.
So, the only thing this is missing is a mattress.
As you can see, the mattress has gone in nicely. Now, I didn't build this bed specifically to fit this mattress. So what we've actually got is about an 80 to 100 mil overhang. I haven't measured it yet. So I'm probably gonna have to cut about 80 mil off of this. However, because this mattress is designed for rock and roll style beds, it fits perfectly in sofa mode.
What is the song?
What, the song I was singing earlier?
Yes.
I know what it was. I'll tell you if you give me $5.
No, just tell me. It's not a pain in the arse. I've got the lyrics on the tip of my
It's a
tongue.
good one. I heard it last night.
I know. What is it?
Give me a tenner, I'll tell you.
Oh, no, it was a fiver a minute ago. Tell me the fucking song.
It was a song called Forever Young.
Yes, thank you.
So I did a thing, and the lights work, and we've got this, so we can change. No way, man. It actually looks pretty cool, doesn't it?
It is very, very cool.
The only annoying thing is that blue light, but I'm going to switch that so you can turn that off. But yeah, mattress in. I'm dead happy with it.
Yeah, it's nice. It's a good job.
We really appreciate all the support on these videos so far. Now, next video, we'll be installing the kitchen and finishing things off. But don't be sad, as we've got plenty of other bigger and better builds lined up, so make sure you stay tuned. And like, subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss another series.
Tell them about the challenges and the tour.
Oh yeah, and we're going to be doing loads of cool tours and challenges. We're going to go down to Bognor Regis.